JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Arpha K06 Wireless Solar Security Wi-Fi Camera. Unboxing and installation. "100% wire-free solar-powered camera with 120 days of battery life. See super high-definition detail day and night. Spot tiny features on any potential trespassers. You never have to worry about changing the battery. An integrated solar panel on the main body will provide never-ending power to charge the built-in lithium battery. Withstand any elements with IP65 weather resistance. Providing all year-round safety, with a built-in speaker. Users can monitor through the mobile app with real-time remote video and voice intercom. With an impressive 135-degree field of view. You can see more of the picture wherever you place your camera. Package contents: installation guide, 10,000 mAh battery, mounting template, screws, USB cable, and reset pin, Arpha K06 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.